Hi guys, welcome to Avarese Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you a very simple and delicious recipe for curried chicken feet. I hope you enjoy it. So my chicken feet are nicely cleaned and ready for cooking. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt into some hot water and then go ahead and add my chicken feet. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some curry powder and a dash of turmeric. I'm going to allow these to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now that they're done, I'm going to go ahead and drain them and save the chicken stock for later. Now I'm just heating up some cooking oil and I'm going to go ahead and add some diced onions. I'm going to go ahead and add some mixed peppers, some garlic and some ginger. Now I'm just adding my tomatoes and I'm going to allow these to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add some extra curry powder in just to kick up the flavor in the dish and a cube of Maggi. Here I'm just adding a little bit of sugar just to take away the bitterness from the tomato. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix those chicken feet back in so they can soak up all that tomatoey flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add some of that leftover stock from earlier and allow the feet to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now the chicken feet are ready, you can serve them up as a snack or as part of a meal.